Today we'll see how to repair an LED tube light with a new LED strip. Welcome dear friends to my channel. Let us see the old LED lamp. This is purchased in 12, 11, 17. Now it is not working. Let us dismantle this now. After dismantling, we will put a new LED strip. Now remove the one side of this portion. Remove the cover. Next, cut the wires and remove the old LED strip. The old one is connected directly to 230 volt and there is a converter. But in the new system, we are connecting LED strip to 12 volt DC. How to get 12 volt DC? We have to connect a 12 volt DC adapter. Let us take one piece of the strip equal to the length of the base holder. Cut it and fix on the base holder. Before fixing to the base holder, we have to solder two wires, one positive and negative. Solder one negative wire now. Next, positive wire. This negative and positive wires will be connected to an AC/DC adapter. The input is 220 volt, output is 12 volt. You have to connect it to 12 volt. Positive to the positive and negative to the negative. Now the light is on. That LED strip is tested now. Now we have to fix it to the front side of the strip base, strip holder base. There will be a self-adhesive on the back side of this strip. Now just close the holder. Now it is a good lamp. We can connect it to the 12 volt. Now testing red wire to the center of the adapter terminal. The lamp is ready. We have to change the date. Now we have to put today's date here. Today is 25 for 2020. Hope you have learned how to change the old little light. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.